Member Meka Waitere. Tēnā koe, Ms.
Tēnā
Waitere.
koe, Mr. Speaker. Tēnā tātou katoa.
Kei te pai.
Mr. Speaker, I joined to take a short call in support of this bill, this member's bill presented by Catherine Delahunty, the Resource Management Restriction Duration of Certain Discharge and Coastal Permits Amendment Bill, and join on this side of the House and with our spokesperson, Waina Maki, Mr. Speaker, in outlaying her contribution in terms of SOP around reducing the permits from the 5 years proposed in Catherine Delahunty's bill and what we believe is a workable solution, which is the 15-year target, Mr. Speaker. No one's going to argue that the quality of our waters is one of the critical issues facing everybody in this country. We all have memories and enjoyment of swimming in rivers or in the sea, and I hope to do that, and my grandchildren hope to do that, and the issues of water quality is a responsibility for all of us, and more so as we make legislation in this House. So, Mr. Speaker, I do want to pay and acknowledge Catherine Delahunty for her intention of bringing a bill to the House that has at the heart of it addressing water qualities, particularly around the awa of Taraweras, and I do want to pay tribute to her for that move that she has undertaken. But like I said, my colleague Waina Maki has made it clear that the SOP number 422 is our attempt to support Catherine's underline by allowing a bit more wriggle room in terms of the permit period. Mr. Speaker, I want to say that I'm not a member of the Select Committee, and in reading the Select Committee report, I do note that there was a decision by the Select Committee not to pass this piece of legislation, but obviously there was a minority view in there presented by obviously the Green members around why the committee should be. Can I just make an observation around achieving consensus in Select Committee Select Committees and acknowledge the role of the Māori Affairs Select Committee maybe as a model for the Environmental and Local Government Select Committee to try and tackle what are really critical issues like water quality. So, Mr. Speaker, I want to not too much go into the detail because that's been ably covered by my colleague Waina Maki. Suffice to say that we are supporting this bill with the SOP to committee stage where we can debate it more. But rest assured, on this side, Labor totally supports water quality. In fact, we want to ensure people in the House and those that are listening that we support a comprehensive adoption of the Land and Water Forum recommendation to improve water quality throughout New Zealand, along with looking at resource rentals to ensure that our rivers throughout New Zealand are improved. Kia ora tātou, Mr.
It's the